Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat account logged issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. There are many reasons why your Snapchat account has been logged. If Snapchat detects any suspicious activities such as adding too many friends, using unauthorized third-party application, or violating their guidelines, then your account might be temporarily logged. In that case, here are some fixes you could try out. First, make sure to uninstall any third-party Snapchat app or plugin. Next, go and open up a web browser and type in accounts.snapchat.com/accounts/unlock and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. You'll need to re-enter your password for your Snapchat account. Now, you'll end up in this page as soon as you log into your account. And now, from this page, simply tap on I'm not a robot at the bottom and click on the unlock button. You'll need to verify with your phone number. Simply choose your country code and type in your phone number and tap on the continue button. Enter the verification code that has been sent to you via text message into the enter code text box. After you are done, tap on verify. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to unlock your account for Snapchat. That's how you can easily fix your Snapchat account logged issue. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.